Turn around. Slowly. Okay, come back this way. Let's see a smile. Feet nice and straight. Push with your feet. Oh. Short little steps, Matthew. Good. You're doing good. Slow down. Keep your feet straight. Keep your feet straight. Keep your feet straight. Sure, keep your feet straight. Look at your feet. Concentrate on what you're doing. Okay, look up again. There you go. Push with your feet.